How to apply for Amazon warehouse jobs in Canada. So simply go ahead and then search for apply Amazon warehouse jobs in Canada. And then from here, you'll have to go to the amazon.ca website that creates Amazon jobs, hiring now, hourly shift, and jobs at Amazon. So here you can see a button that creates finds jobs in Canada near you. So you can simply go ahead and scroll down. You can see view all your jobs in your area. Simply go ahead and then simply press on find jobs in Canada near you. So here you'll be required to enter your postal code to make your location more precise and make Amazon easy for you to find jobs. You can see any of the hour, full-time, part-time, according to your wish. So we'll do part-time for now. And then we can go press on next, and then which time works best for you, simply select any of the time. So for me it's evening. Let's go and then keep on doing that. You can simply skip that. Also, when can you start working? It can be like within 1 to 2 weeks. So you can go ahead, press and done, and then here you can go ahead and find the job if that meets your requirement according to your wish. Also, if you want to go ahead and find the jobs in your area, simply go ahead and view jobs in your area. So here you can see different of the jobs according to your wish. You can simply search for warehouse as well. So once you press this, it reads there are no jobs available in your area. So for that, if the jobs are available, you will be notified and you will be getting the alerts, and then you will get also the sign-on bonus if you simply apply through the Amazon official site. And then here you can see that you can simply go ahead and apply to the any of the job that will be listed in your screen after you go to the any of those find jobs near you, or you view all jobs in your area site. And then from there you'll be required to present some of your past documents, official documents like your passport or your driving license, your citizenship, and different all things. And once you do that, you'll be required to follow the prompts and then follow the rules that they will provide you, and then you are good to go. Hopefully this video helps. That's how you apply in Canada for warehousing, so in your Amazon. Hopefully this helps. Thank you.